Okay guys, we want to go over the choreography we did on Tuesday, which is this. 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to break that part down. First thing you want to do is learn how to do the jazz square. Okay, it's called jazz square because it's more like a baseball diamond. Think about it this way. You have first base, second base, third base, home base. I'm going to start with second base, third base, home base, first base. So 6, 7, 8. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So anytime you hear like an instructor say do a jazz square, that's it. It's like a baseball diamond, a jazz square. The rhythm is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's very basic, very fundamental. Doesn't mean it's not important. It's very important. But what we're doing in our choreography is we're tweaking up the tempo a little bit. So instead of it just boom, ta, we're going 1, 2, and 3, 4. So it looks like this. 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? So we're just turning on the 4. And remember the heel toe turn. If you don't know what a heel toe turn is, one is pivoting on the heel, one is pivoting on the toe. So this is a heel toe turn. So if I do a 90-degree turn, here's a 90-degree turn to the left, and back, both on the heels and toe. To the right side, I switch to the other heel toe, boom, come back. Switch to the left, back, right, back. So in our choreography, we got 1, 2, and 3. Right on the 3, some common pitfalls when we turn. Some of you guys are doing a toe turn. You're doing this way versus a heel toe turn. Make sense? So I don't think the other one's right or wrong, but if you can only do a toe turn, you're limiting yourself. So learn how to do both. Learn how to spin on both toes or a heel toe. Okay? So going back to our choreography, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. I'm turning back on 5. This is 4. Turn back on the 5. Slide on the 6. 6. Out of bourree. 7 and 8. Okay. So once we get to here, we're going to do a cross step. Cross step came from the salsa step, which is just 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The rhythm is still the same, so you got to make sure you understand the rhythm. It's da 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 da. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Cross step goes 1 and 2. Now the feet are in front of each other versus salsa step, they're right next to each other. Okay. You could do salsa step to the front, the back, and the side. So we're taking the side step, side cross, side salsa step to the cross step. In our choreo, we made 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Same thing, this is our heel toe opportunity. Spin on the 5, back wall, continue, but now we're going to switch to the other heel toe. Come back on the 6, jump out on the 7, 8. And we're going to repeat. We're going to go to the left side. This side, left leg jazz square. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, left leg, cross step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So put it all together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Other side. This leg. 7, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross step, spin. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I just done was we call it brain fart. That means your brain just go blank. Like, where am I now? I forgot it. The left side. Okay. So anyways, keep practice, rewind it if you will. Do it on your own. Don't use music first. Understand it, use your own count. But once you get it, then you pop in music. Something slow, and then speed it up if you can. All right.